So Dallas County raised its risk level from orange back up to red. Red is the most severe, and it means stay home, stay safe. Of course, that is a suggestion. It's not a mandate. Hannah Davis live in Dallas with an explanation, though, on what it all means. Hi, Hannah.
Yeah, good morning, Kara. I think that's the biggest difference. People want to know, is this another lockdown, another shutdown? That's not the case. What this is information for families at home to let them know that the risk is higher. So then you at home can make the decision about what's best for you and what's safest. Now, we know Texas and Dallas County has been opening back up like the rest of the state and really the country in recent weeks. But officials say they are now seeing a, quote, new and quickly escalating wave of COVID cases in the area. On Wednesday, the county reported 454 new cases and one additional death. With a level red, county health officials recommend people stay at home as much as possible and avoid dining out, especially in indoor areas. It's important to know, again, not a mandate or a shutdown at this point, rather a suggestion to the public. County Judge Clay Jenkins tweeted out the following information yesterday saying, quote, "We encourage everyone to make their own best decision. Wear your mask, maintain 6 feet distance, and avoid large crowds. We must reverse the trend now while we have pleasant weather outside and an opportunity to do activities outside." Over in Tarrant County, no new announcements about any threat level have come out, but we are seeing numbers rising in that area as well. Health officials really saying to look at that. Tarrant County reported 624 new cases and 2 deaths yesterday. One man was in his 40s, another man in his 60s. Both passed away. So this is the updates as we do see those cases rising in Tarrant and Dallas counties. Again, in Dallas County, that level red, not a shutdown, but information so you can make the best decision for yourself and your family. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Hannah. So there is also an effort right now to go ahead and keep kids in school. It is a pilot program that is rolling out in 8 different districts across the state of Texas. So these are rapid results tests promising a diagnosis within 15 minutes. Texas has gotten about 1 million of the 150 million the federal government has already started shipping out. So Xavier De La Torre is the superintendent of Yeseta ISD in El Paso, one of the 8 districts that have already received their tests.
We see it as another layer to promote a level of comfort in our community. And I think that that's a game changer. I think it really is a game changer.
Well, the tests are a fraction of the cost of normal swab PCR tests, so the state will let other districts apply for the test in the next 2 weeks. Mark.
All right, thank you, Kara. 6:07 on this Thursday morning. Early voting continues today in North Texas, and boy, if the first 2 days are any indication, we could see even more record-breaking numbers. So Dallas County broke a second-day record yesterday. Nearly 58,000 people voted. Tarrant County had about 45,000 folks cast a ballot, more than on the first day of early voting. Of course, we've got everything you need to know before you head to the polls. Just go to our website, WFAA.com/vote. And some new revelations this morning from the White House. President Trump's son, Barron, was infected with COVID-19 at the same time as his parents. First Lady Melania Trump revealed that her teenage son didn't have any symptoms and has since tested negative. The deadline to fill out the census is tonight at midnight. Now, the census is used, of course, to determine where to allocate resources like education, job training, and health care for the next 10 years. So make sure you have been counted. And that is your Morning Rush, Tashara.